RV water filter systems. Best purification method. In today's modern world, the freedom to explore and travel has become more accessible than ever before. With the rise of remote work and the desire for a more flexible lifestyle, many people are turning to RVs as a way to combine their love for adventure with the comforts of home. However, as you journey from one destination to another, the quality and safety of your drinking water can become a major concern. After all, you never know what contaminants may be lurking in the water sources you encounter along the way. This is where RV water filter systems come into play. These innovative solutions are designed to provide you with clean, safe, and great-tasting water, no matter where your travels take you. By removing harmful contaminants, chemicals, and other impurities from your RV's water supply, these systems ensure that you and your loved ones can stay healthy and hydrated throughout your adventures. From simple sediment filters to advanced reverse osmosis systems, the options can seem overwhelming. That's why we've created this video guide to help you navigate the world of RV water filtration. Types of contaminants found in water sources. Biological contaminants. Biological contaminants are living organisms that can cause illness or disease when ingested. Some common examples include bacteria. Coliform bacteria such as E. coli can cause gastrointestinal distress and other health issues. Viruses. Norovirus and rotavirus are just two examples of viruses that can contaminate water supplies and lead to serious illness. Parasites. Giardia and Cryptosporidium are parasites that can cause severe digestive problems and other health concerns. Chemical contaminants. Chemical contaminants are substances that can be harmful to your health when consumed in high concentrations. Some common examples include chlorine and chloramines. These chemicals are often used to disinfect municipal water supplies, but can leave an unpleasant taste and odor in your water. Heavy metals. Lead, mercury, and arsenic are just a few examples of heavy metals that can leach into water supplies and cause serious health problems. Pesticides and herbicides. Agricultural runoff can introduce these harmful chemicals into water sources, posing risks to human health and the environment. Physical contaminants. Physical contaminants are non-living substances that can affect the appearance, taste, and overall quality of your water. Some common examples include sediment, sand, silt, and other small particles can make your water cloudy and unappealing to drink. Rust. If your RV's water system has older metal components, rust can form and find its way into your drinking water. Sand and silt. These larger particles can clog your RV's plumbing and appliances, leading to maintenance issues and reduced water flow. Overview of RV water filter systems. When it comes to RV water filtration systems, there are several different types to choose from, each with its own unique benefits and drawbacks. Let's take a closer look at some of the most common options. Sediment filters. Sediment filters are designed to remove physical contaminants like sand, silt, and rust from your RV's water supply. They work by trapping these particles in a fine mesh or screen, allowing clean water to pass through. Function and purpose. The primary function of a sediment filter is to protect your RV's plumbing and appliances from damage caused by larger particles. By removing these contaminants, sediment filters can help extend the life of your water system and improve the overall quality of your water. Types of sediment filters. There are several types of sediment filters available, including spun polyester, pleated paper, and wound string filters. Each type has its own unique advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your specific needs. Carbon filters. Carbon filters are designed to remove chemical contaminants and improve the taste and odor of your RV's water. They work by absorbing these substances as water passes through a bed of activated carbon. Activated carbon filters. Activated carbon filters are made from a highly porous form of carbon that has been treated to increase its surface area and absorption capacity. They are effective at removing a wide range of chemical contaminants, including chlorine, pesticides, and herbicides. Carbon block filters. Carbon block filters are made from a solid block of compressed activated carbon. They are more effective than granular activated carbon filters at removing smaller particles and contaminants, but they may reduce water flow rates more significantly. Reverse osmosis systems. Reverse osmosis (RO) systems are a more advanced form of water purification that can remove a wide range of contaminants, including biological and chemical substances. How reverse osmosis works. RO systems work by forcing water through a semi-permeable membrane that traps contaminants on one side, while allowing clean water to pass through to the other side. The contaminants are then flushed away, leaving only pure, fresh water. Benefits and drawbacks of reverse osmosis in RVs. While RO systems are highly effective at producing clean water, they do have some drawbacks when used in RVs. They tend to waste a significant amount of water in the filtration process and can quickly deplete your RV's water tank. Additionally, they may require more frequent maintenance and can be more expensive than other filtration options. Ultraviolet UV light purification. UV light purification is a chemical-free method of disinfecting water by exposing it to ultraviolet light. The process of UV purification. UV systems work by passing water through a chamber containing a UV light bulb. The UV light disrupts the DNA of biological contaminants, rendering them unable to reproduce and cause illness. Advantages and limitations of UV systems in RVs. UV purification is highly effective at eliminating biological contaminants and doesn't alter the taste or odor of water. However, it does not remove chemical or physical contaminants, so it is often used in conjunction with other filtration methods. Additionally, UV systems require electricity to function, so they may not be suitable for boondocking or off-grid situations. Sediment filters versus carbon filters. Sediment filters and carbon filters are two of the most common types of RV water filters, but they serve different purposes. Contaminants removed by each type. Sediment filters are designed to remove physical contaminants like sand, silt, and rust, while carbon filters are better suited for removing chemical contaminants like chlorine, pesticides, and herbicides. Maintenance and replacement requirements. Both sediment and carbon filters require regular maintenance and replacement to ensure optimal performance. Sediment filters may need to be cleaned or replaced more frequently, especially if you're traveling in areas with high levels of physical contaminants. Carbon filters typically last longer, but may still need to be replaced every few months to maintain their effectiveness. Reverse osmosis versus carbon filters. Reverse osmosis and carbon filters are both effective at removing contaminants, but they work in different ways. Effectiveness in removing contaminants. Reverse osmosis systems are more effective than carbon filters at removing a wide range of contaminants, including biological and chemical substances. However, carbon filters are still highly effective at improving the taste and odor of water by removing chlorine and other chemicals. Water waste and tank capacity considerations. One of the main drawbacks of reverse osmosis systems is that they waste a significant amount of water in the filtration process. This can be a major concern for RV owners, as it can quickly deplete your fresh water tank and limit your ability to boondock or camp off-grid. Carbon filters, on the other hand, do not waste water and are a more practical option for RVs with limited tank capacity. UV purification versus other filter systems. UV purification is a unique method of water treatment that can be used alone or in conjunction with other filtration systems. Disinfection capabilities. UV purification is highly effective at eliminating biological contaminants like bacteria, viruses, and parasites. However, it does not remove chemical or physical contaminants, so it may not be sufficient as a standalone water treatment method. Compatibility with other filter systems. UV purification can be used in conjunction with other filtration methods, like sediment and carbon filters, to provide comprehensive water treatment. By combining UV disinfection with physical and chemical filtration, you can ensure that your RV's water is free from all types of contaminants. Combination systems. For the ultimate in RV water filtration, you may want to consider a combination system that incorporates multiple types of filters. Benefits of using multiple filter types. By using a combination of sediment, carbon, and UV filters, you can remove a wide range of contaminants and ensure that your water is safe, clean, and great tasting. Each type of filter serves a specific purpose, and together they provide comprehensive water treatment. Popular combination setups for RVs. Some popular combination setups for RVs include a sediment filter followed by a carbon filter, a sediment filter, a carbon filter, and a UV purification system in series. These setups can be customized based on your specific needs and the types of contaminants you're likely to encounter in your travels. Installing and maintaining RV water filter systems. Once you've chosen the right RV water filtration system for your needs, it's important to properly install and maintain it to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Choosing the right location for installation. The first step in installing your RV water filter system is choosing the right location. Inline versus canister filters. Inline filters are installed directly into your RV's waterline, while canister filters are mounted externally and connected to the waterline with hoses. Inline filters are more compact and easier to install, but canister filters are more versatile and can be used with a wider range of filter types. Connecting to the RV water system. Regardless of the type of filter you choose, it's important to properly connect it to your RV's water system. This may involve cutting into the waterline, installing fittings and valves, and securing the filter in place. If you're not comfortable with plumbing tasks, it may be best to have a professional handle the installation. Proper maintenance and replacement schedules. To keep your RV water filtration system working effectively, it's important to follow a regular maintenance and replacement schedule. Sediment and carbon filters. Sediment and carbon filters should be replaced every 3 to 6 months, or more frequently if you're traveling in areas with high levels of contaminants. Some filters may also be cleanable, which can help extend their lifespan. Reverse osmosis membranes. Reverse osmosis membranes should be replaced every 2 to 3 years, or sooner if you notice a decrease in water quality or flow rate. UV light bulbs. UV light bulbs should be replaced every 12 months, or sooner if you notice a decrease in water quality or if the bulb burns out. Troubleshooting common issues. Even with proper maintenance, you may encounter issues with your RV water filter system from time to time. Some common problems include low water pressure. Low water pressure can be caused by a clogged filter, a leak in the system, or a malfunctioning pump. To troubleshoot, try replacing the filter, checking for leaks, and inspecting the pump for any signs of wear or damage. Leaks and clogs. Leaks and clogs can occur at any point in the water filtration system, from the connections to the filters themselves. To troubleshoot, check all connections for tightness, inspect hoses for kinks or damage, and replace filters as needed. By properly installing and maintaining your RV water filter system, you can ensure that you have access to clean, safe drinking water wherever your adventures take you. Final thoughts. Investing in a high-quality RV water filtration system is one of the best things you can do to ensure that you have access to clean, safe drinking water while on the road. Whether you choose a simple sediment filter, a more advanced reverse osmosis system, or a combination of different filtration methods, the right water filter can make all the difference in your health and enjoyment of the RV lifestyle. When selecting an RV water filtration system, it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences. If you're primarily concerned with removing physical contaminants like sediment and rust, a sediment filter may be sufficient. If you're looking to remove chemical contaminants and improve the taste and odor of your water, a carbon filter or reverse osmosis system may be a better choice. And if you want the ultimate in water purification, a combination system that includes UV disinfection may be the way to go. No matter which system you choose, it's important to properly install and maintain it to ensure optimal performance and longevity. This includes choosing the right location for installation, following a regular replacement schedule for filters and UV bulbs, and troubleshooting any issues that may arise. By prioritizing clean water and investing in a high-quality RV water filtration system, you can enjoy the many benefits of the RV lifestyle without worrying about the safety and quality of your drinking water. So whether you're a full-time RVer or a weekend warrior, make sure to give your water filtration system the attention it deserves. Your health and happiness on the road depend on it.